Ever sent money in a flash? But not internationally? Hey everyone, have you ever needed to send some cash to a friend quickly? Maybe to split a dinner bill, pay back a loan, or send a little birthday surprise. That's where services like Zelle come in. They let you send money directly from your bank account to someone else's, all within a few minutes. Super convenient, right? But what if that friend you need to pay lives overseas? Suddenly, things get a little trickier. International money transfers can involve fees, waiting periods, and a whole lot of hassle. So, can Zelle be your knight in shining armor for those international payments? Let's dive in and find out. The all-American answer: Zelle stays domestic. Alright, here's the key takeaway: Zelle is currently limited to transfers within the United States. That means both you, the sender, and your recipient need to have bank accounts based in the U.S. There are a couple of reasons behind this. Zelle relies on a network of U.S. banks and credit unions. This streamlined system lets them keep transfers fast and secure. But it also means they can't handle the complexities of international banking regulations and currency conversions. Signs you're dealing with a Zelle limitation. So, how do you know if you're about to bump into Zelle's international roadblock? Here are a few red flags. The U.S.-only disclaimer: many banks and Zelle's own website will explicitly state that the service is for U.S. transfers only. Be sure to check the fine print before you get started. The request for international details: if you're setting up a Zelle transfer and it asks for information like IBAN numbers or SWIFT codes, which are used for international transfers, that's a good sign you're on the wrong track. Beyond borders: alternatives for international transfers. Does this mean you're stuck if your friend is chilling on a beach in Bali? Not at all. There are plenty of other services that specialize in international money transfers. Here are a few popular options. Money transfer services: giants like Wise, formerly TransferWise, and Remitly offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. Peer-to-peer platforms: some P2P services like WorldRemit allow transfers to mobile wallets or for cash pickup in certain countries. Your bank's international wire transfer: this can be a secure option, but be prepared for potentially higher fees and processing times. Choosing the right international money transfer service. The best option for you depends on a few factors. Consider things like transfer speed: how quickly does your recipient need the money? Transfer fees: compare rates and any hidden charges between services. Payment methods: how will you be paying? Bank account, debit card, and how can your recipient receive the funds? Bank deposit, mobile wallet. A final word: Zelle keeps it domestic. So, to answer our original question, Zelle is a fantastic tool for zipping money around within the U.S., but for international transactions, you'll need to explore other options. Do some research, compare fees, and find the service that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.